A 1-minute review of the 2012 Fangpyre truck Ambush. This set sold retail for $50. It currently sells new for $189.78, used for $83.80. A huge upscale in charge. It has two vehicles, a serpentine vehicle along with one of the Ninjago vehicles. Our biggest minifigure is the Dit and Roll, who's now sells alone for $33.85. Along with the General, we have Jay from the original Ninjagos. We also have another Serpentine, but this one with just the regular minifigure legs instead of the tail. And finally, we have Zane with a nice gold armor.